What's going on, guys? We're outside today at Rugged Trailers checking out this dual axle 6.5 by 16 foot open utility trailer. Let's take a look at some of the details. All of our open utility trailers are going to come with 3 ramp options. The standard option is the 50-inch airflow. Then we have the bifold option and the stowaway option, which we're showing here. The stowaway ramp is going to take a 50-inch ramp and it's going to nest it beneath the trailer. It's held in place with the retaining pin, and up top we have a hold down pin so that when the ramps are moved and nested up top, it's going to lock it down if you have uneven terrain. So to remove the ramp from beneath the trailer, pull the retaining pin out and just easily slide the ramp out from beneath the trailer. Once the ramp's out, lift it up to the top position. Pull your hold down pin out, lock it in place, and move to the other side. Easy as that. So this trailer has dual 3,500 pound Dexter Torflex axles with electric brakes. We're sitting on Lodestar tires, radial, as always on all of our utility trailers, 15-inch aluminum mod wheels. This trailer is going to have a payload capacity of 5,700 pounds. If we head up front, you notice a 5x2 tubular tongue leading into the frame. As always, that tongue is integrated into our frame. It's going to serve as a really nice base and pull fantastic down the road. Hopkins breakaway system, fold down jack is going to keep it out of the way of your trailer. On the sides, you'll know we have these stake pockets for the customer that we added on. And on all of our utility trailers, we have the built-in tie downs along the frame's perimeter. Just a really nice product that's going to last you a lifetime.